Hey guys, it's your girl, Wolf Girl Squad. Oh my god. She actually doesn't like me recording, but I do it anyways. Yes. Okay, so if you don't know my channel, that's actually very cold. See, look, it's so cold that the door opened. Oh my god. Oh my god. Is that Mountain Dew, by the way? Oh, that's the thing that I was on before. I need to get it off before my mom finds out that I was on there. Okay, but anyways, so it was actually raining. So yeah, I'll be right back. Mama, today can we watch a movie together? Yeah, can we watch a movie? Why? What? Okay, Mom. Why? Okay, what are you doing? Jeez. What are you doing?
Why are you recording?
I'm just
The shipment will be warehoused here with another 5 pounds of weed.
Yeah, it's just on camera. Or is it? Okay, today we are going to be playing with some of my slimes, and my own battery's almost dead. Oh my god. So this is my slime. So we're going to be playing with them. So let me take out. So we got this one. I put it in a big bag because it was big before. It looks like this. And it's not that good of a slime because it falls apart easily, but oh my god. And yeah. This one's, I don't know about this one. This one is squishy a little. Well, that didn't work out well, as you can see. But it is actually still kind of good because, like, I'll show you why. Hold on, I need a big piece, so this piece. If you actually do it very slow, you can see that it's stretching. See, oh jeez, and there it is. See, and that's the only problem, that it needs like some more activator. Yeah, but just saying, if you go on YouTube and you go to Evan Sweeney, this is for the people that know that I have a YouTube channel. I am going to give these two squishies away. I'm going to give these two squishies away to my friends or you guys. So comment down your name and number and your address so I can send this to you, and what street you live on. Comment down below if you want the mermaid or the panda, because this is like a panda. This is a mermaid. So yeah, and I will be giving away these, but I don't think you'll love these. But I will be making a new slimes soon. And yeah, oh, and I'm going to give away be giving away these perfumes. I actually haven't used them yet. Oh, this is cotton candy. I'll show you. This is cotton candy. This is like cherry blossom. So yeah, I'll be giving away those. And if you want, I could give away some more stuff, but comment down below. And yeah. So bye guys. Wait, just one more thing. I will be giving away this Lamborghini poster. So yeah, it's a Lamborghini. As you can see, it's a Lambo. See, it says Lamborghini. And yeah. So I hope you enjoyed. Bye. Oh, by the way, I'm gonna be playing Truth or Dare soon. So another Truth or Dare, and comment down below what kind of stuff you want me to do, and I will say I'll write a dare and truth on papers, but I'm not gonna write your answers because that's gonna be then I will know. I'm gonna look on my comments, and this has to be on this one, by the way. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Bye.